Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to unarchive emails in Gmail. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in with your account. On the left sidebar, click on All Mail to view both archived and unarchived emails. If you do not see All Mail, click on More to expand the list. Once All Mail is visible, click on it and browse or search for the archived email. You find the email you want to restore, open it, or select it using the checkboxes. At the top of the screen, click on Move to Inbox. The email will immediately be removed from the archive and returned to your inbox. You can repeat these steps for any other archived emails that you want to unarchive. This method helps you organize your inbox without permanently deleting messages. And that's it. We just learned how to find archived emails and move them back to the inbox in Gmail. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial videos.